I'm gonna help you to understand how it works, okay? So basically, it's only 20 spots, okay? 20 people for the first people on this batch in Montreal, Canada, or across the country. It doesn't matter where you're located. We can always take you, and you can do the online training. So we're trying to help people to become network engineers towards a path of cybersecurity, which is what I do. So network engineering is one thing, routing, switching. You learn firewalls, how things are connecting, what the next generation of firewalls is doing, like checking for signatures, um, basically doing segregation, segmentation of networks, and know how to do a side-to-side connection between two firewalls, maybe between a firewall and a router. How do you encrypt the connection? And all those networking features that you may have when working with network devices. So on top of that, this is a company that is going to help you to get there with live sessions, recording, PDF, labs from the vendor. You may ask, who is the vendor?